I gotta say, finding those like hidden productivity tricks,
Uh,
especially for something like spreadsheets,
mhm.
it's the best.
Oh, yeah.
And, today we're diving deep into one of those gems.
Okay.
A keyboard shortcut, the one from the listener notes.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Could be a total game changer for, how much time we spend formatting these things.
Right.
I have a feeling you're already like a shortcut wizard.
Well, let's just say I'm always down to save some time.
Okay, so the shortcut that really stood out to me was Control plus Shift plus Rever.
Okay.
Now, the description in your notes was number format with commas, which I gotta admit, at first glance, doesn't sound that exciting.
Well, I think it's way more exciting than it sounds.
Really?
Oh, yeah. This little shortcut is a lifesaver.
Okay, so break it down for me.
Especially when you're dealing with these massive spreadsheets, tons of numbers.
Oh, yeah.
It makes a huge difference.
It really hit me when I saw that real-time example in the notes, those revenue figures, right?
Right.
Without commas, forget it.
You'd be lost.
It's like coming up for air after being, like, underwater forever.
Exactly.
Control plus Shift plus Say. That's the breath of fresh air for your spreadsheets.
Think about it. Without commas, you're staring at this wall of digits,
Yes.
right? You're trying to figure out what means what, but you add those commas and suddenly
Still makes sense.
it just clicks. Easier to read, easier to understand.
And less room for mistakes.
Yeah.
Right. Especially when you're talking about things like finances,
Yeah.
where every digit matters.
Oh, absolutely. Accuracy is key.
Yeah.
Think about it. You're presenting these numbers to, like, your CEO.
Oh, yeah.
You want to be fumbling over this sea of numbers, or do you want to present a clear, concise picture that everyone gets right away?
Okay. That's a good point. You know what else is cool?
What's that?
This shortcut doesn't just stop at commas.
No.
It automatically sets it to a 2-decimal format, too.
Ah, yes. Perfect for currency.
Perfect.
Although I should mention you can customize those decimals if you need to. Excel has that format cells dialog box.
So you've got options.
You do.
This is like compound interest, but for your time. Right.
Yeah, that's a great way to put it.
Each little shortcut is a tiny deposit, and suddenly, boom, you're swimming in free time.
Exactly. It all adds up.
You get to do the things you actually want to do.
Right. Optimize that workflow.
It's the little things, right?
It really is. Small efficiencies, big results.
I bet you'll never look at Control plus Shift plus Scan the same way again.
I know I won't.
Makes you wonder what other shortcuts are hiding in plain sight.
Right. Like, what else are we missing?
It's a treasure hunt.
It is. And the more we find, the more brain power we free up for the stuff that really matters.
That's a great takeaway.
Thanks.
What frequently performed actions in, like, your own work
Mm-hmm.
could be streamlined with shortcuts, right?
Yeah,
Maybe it's time to take a good hard look.
definitely.
See what kind of hidden gems we can find.
Exactly. That's the fun part.
Uncover those efficiencies. Thanks for the deep dive.
Thanks for having me.